coming around the other side.
How are we with him?
Here he comes. Here he comes. He's coming down this side. Look over here on this arm.
Where is it?
He's into there. There he is. He's fast, huh?
Got his leg. Not on my back.
Yeah.
He's stick on me.
Here, wait. He's on your hair. Here you go.
Oh, I think he likes my mommy the best. Hey, I'm gonna come up here and get some wind. I got mine.
She was giggling so much.
Hey, hey, where are you, Spider? Can we get him? Where? Hey. I think he likes my mommy the best. Got him. I think he wants to go up my spout. He wants to go up. Hey! Hey!
I think he wants to go up my spout.
Huh? Hmm? Where's him? Can you get him?
He just keeps wanting to get in your hair. Here you go.